Hello students, welcome to Asper Technology. In this video, we have to learn how to use Blink LED in Uno Arduino board. Now students, this is the LED. Here, this is the breadboard. You have to insert this LED such like this. This is the longer part is anode part and this is cathode part. Okay, now this is the jumper wire. We have to use this jumper wire. In this is the Uno Arduino board. Here we can see there are two ground. We can use any one of the ground. This is the another jumper wire. Now we have to use pin number 7. So we have to put in the pin number 7 here. Okay, this is the IDE, Arduino IDE. So now students, first of all, integer LED1 equal to 7, void setup, pin mode 7, output 7 is LED1 value. Now void loop, digital write LED1, high, delay 1000 millisecond, digital write LED1, low, delay 1000 millisecond. After writing this code, you have to upload this file. Now here we can see LED is blinking. Here we can see LED is on and off with the 1000 millisecond delay. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you students.